Hey everybody, it's been a little while, but we're going to have another cooking demonstration. Now today I'm using the Copper Chef microwave grill pan. We're going to be doing a piece of chicken breast. Oh, look at that. Now remember, we use frozen skinless boneless chicken breasts, and we thaw them out, pat them dry, rubbed it with a little bit of olive oil and Trader Joe's everyday seasoning. Now that's not a sponsored thing or anything like that, we just really like it. Now the first thing you have to do with one of these is put the lid, sits all the way down in there just like that. Now this goes into a microwave. This is an 1100 watt microwave, so we're going to set that in just like that for 3 minutes. Here we go. Now that we've reached our 3 minutes, make sure that you have appropriate protection, because this can be very hot. We'll take our pan, we're going to set that just right there. Now you can touch this top, but you're going to want to set it to the side as such. Take our chicken. Now get close and listen to this. Yeah, I thought the same thing. Just like that on the top. I have to wash that hand. Okay, we're going to put this back in the microwave. Close that door. This time it's going to go for 6 minutes. Work in progress. Here we go. It's almost that time. Oh, let's see what we got. Sizzling up very nicely. Again, use some protection for the hands. This will be hot. Now, we have used this several times doing some chicken, just like we're doing today. There's a little ring that fits inside the top of here so that this will actually sit higher up, so that you can cook things just on the bottom, but it'll retain the heat on the top. Or it also comes with a little muffin pan, so that apparently you can do little muffins or something. We haven't tried that yet. May do a future video on that one. The Copper Chef microwave grill can be found on QVC. I believe that's where this one was gotten. I got it in an estate sale, but it was in great condition, still had all the instructions with it, and I mean, we've been using it, so hey, we like it. Whenever you take something out of the microwave in this grill, you do want to let it rest for about a minute or so to fully finish. Anytime you cook anything in the microwave, please remember to do that. Remember to let your things rest a bit, either before you take them out or once you take them out, let them rest a little bit. They continue cooking for just a little bit. So, let's see how this chicken looks. Very nice, nicely brown. I mean, there's a little of the blackening down there, but that's just from it leaking down a little bit. Take that. It smells great. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Whoop. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Done all the way through. That's how we like it here. So join me next time on this channel. We're going to try out some different kitchen gadgets. We're going to try anything I can find in these cabinets that I've stuffed in here that my wife said that I've either got to throw it away or use it. We're going to use it just for you. So have a great day. Until next time.